Hello traders. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so today we are going to be reviewing the ZScalp EA for MT4. This is a free scalping system that works on any pair but is particularly highlighted for gold. So let's break down what it offers. So I'll just expand this. As you can see, it's a free scalper or it's a free EA. And from the MQ5 description, ZScalp is an expert advisor designed for scalping any pair with a special focus on gold, the XAU-USD. It uses two unique entry methods to identify and execute trades. The system combines trailing stop loss with custom exit strategies to manage profits and reduce drawdowns. The developer notes that the EA has been in personal use and development for many months before being made available. It does not use grid or martingale methods. Fixed lot sizing is used so traders can control their own risks. Default settings are optimized for gold but can be adjusted for other pairs. Okay, the recommended time frame is the 1 minute time frame M1, which is more volatile. So careful lot sizing is important. The developer strongly advises thorough backtesting and demo trading before any live use. So some of the key features, as you can see here, include dual entry methods, trailing stop loss, optional fixed stop loss, sound and mobile alerts, no grid or martingale, fixed lots for personal risk management, and flexibility across pairs with good defaults. It's recommended to use an ECN or raw broker with low spreads and a VPS. Lot size guidance is conservative, around 0.01 per $1,000 of account balance. Higher balances are safer for the 1 minute volatility. Alright, so we have some screenshots here by the developer which shows the claims. The free scalping EA focused on the 1 minute time frame, especially gold. Performance will depend heavily on broker spreads, execution speed, and current market volatility. Scalping systems on M1 can produce frequent trades but are extremely sensitive to costs and slippage. The combination of trailing stops and custom exits aims to lock in profits while limiting losses. The absence of greed or martingale is a positive for risk control. However, the high frequency nature means that even small spreads can impact results negatively. I was going to test this EA personally on MT4, but unfortunately, the EA didn't load up, so I couldn't perform any tests. And on the site, as you can see as well, we also don't have any backtest results from the developer, so it's actually difficult to gauge the actual performance of the EA at first glance. But I think honestly the features that matter most are very conservative lot sizing, a low spread ECM broker, and a reliable VPS. The dual entry methods and trailing logic are the core, but they need the right environment to work. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, M1 gold scalping is one of the most demanding environments. Spreads widen during news, and slippage is common. Overtrading can occur if filters are weak. Live results frequently differ from backtests. In practice, start with the smallest possible lots, monitor closely, and be prepared for periods of flat or negative performances. No free EA is a guaranteed money machine. So who is this actually for and who should avoid it? This suits experienced scalpers who understand the risks of 1 minute trading and have access to a quality low spread broker and VPS. It's good if you want a free tool to experiment with gold scalping under controlled risk. You should probably avoid this EA if you're a beginner. Have a small account, use a high spread broker, or prefer lower frequency systems with less noise. Okay, we have some reviews here from users of this EA. Okay, and it looks like these are pretty good reviews from those who have used it. Here we have a 5-star review and it thanks for the EA. And this other user claims that after fine-tuning the settings, the performance of the EA became super stable. And he claims that gold trades on M15 are now much smoother for him. And he also appreciates developers' work. So apparently these reviews are what we have to go off on, but I would also take them with a pinch of salt, as it might not always be what it seems on the site. But overall, the ZScalp EA is a free scalping option with a focus on gold and clear risk controls. It doesn't use grid or martingale, as I previously said. It has potential for traders who can provide the right trading environment, but thorough demo testing and realistic expectations are essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex button in the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.